No, I'm moving normally. Everything else is just frozen. It's still there on my screen. No, don't take my painting away. No, not my toy. No, don't take my. No. Oh, I got kicked. I got kicked for flying. I got kicked for flying. Actually, bro. Anyway, for like the past like maybe 10 minutes, I've been trying to tell you that I'm going to bust a nut in an egg to make a baby homunculus, and then I'm going to train that homunculus to hunt you down and kill you. It's my internet's bedtime, bro. He wants to go to bed. Oh, I'm gonna fart.
Oh, hello. I did not realize my mic was muted. Anyway, my question was, what type of foot job cum shit is going on over here?
If you want to play a numerical, we can play a numeric, but I don't really want to, but okay, fine.
4 emeralds! Yo, you fucking whore, give me.
Okay, fine. Here, okay, fine. I'll go. Oh shit.
Not there.
Filter? What? What the?
I'll come back later.
Did I ever tell you about that one time I shot my dick in a fish?
I can't, your fat ass is in the word. Fuck you. Guy run on the other side, Oh.
I can't even shoot.
Run. Run like.
Yo, everybody put your music up. Music all the way up, man.
Yo, sorry. Yo, hold on. Before we start the court case, would you mind? Just, Please.
Oh, wait,
Hey, Roach.
wait.
Hi, 20.
Huh? Oh, I was on my phone, bro. Like, what's...
Yo, don't leave me out on this too, bro. Don't leave me out. No. What you looking at, buddy? You look like a pedophile. We're fighting. The 3. Yo, get off.
Hey, ho, blue shirts, get away from my girl.
Okay. If you guys actually want to play Among Us, I'd have to run down to the metro.
It can't be worse.
I'd have to run down to the metro. Shut the fuck up!
I'll find you.
They're mostly built like Greek gods. I want you to try it. You've seen it in my genetics, bro. I'm built like a Greek god. Why would my family not be built like one, alright? Don't try them, bro.
So you have a small
Please.
penis?
You'll get yourself you'll get yourself a 50% chance of being
he's my grandfather's.
Damn. You wanna hear? My grandfather's name is
Shut up!
God damn, you good?
I'm worried to win, good boy.
I'm playing C! You
I need to
acknowledged
win.
it! Oh my god, I'm so overstimulated. I'm about to yeah, and we do the in and out tactic where we blind everybody. So we yang, split. Grandfather.
Every single time without fail.
Well, maybe he has
Strange.
dementia. You know who else has dementia?
Can you silence yourself?
I've seen it.
What are you talking about? What have you seen? What have you seen, boy?
Dead. Seen from The Walking Dead.
What is wrong with all of you? Allow me to speak in my case. There is nothing peculiar about this way I speak. There's nothing peculiar, and I think you're all very mean creatures. So allow me to say what there is nothing wrong.
Yeah, Gran.
Don't even joke, laddie. Laddie, do not even joke.
What the fuck is that? Is that how your grandfather? That's how your grandfather talks?
It's like granddaddy talk.
Your grandfather.
You shut.
I did it over there. Yeah, bro. Only could help you over here.
Oh my god, you guys are so freaking cool. You guys are so cool sharing a cigarette. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen. You guys are awesome.
Stop.
Hang on, he's reloaded.
You'll never get the platinum chip.
Platinum. Yeah, but I got the platinum drip, bro. I look sick.
Oh.
Oh my god! Yo, oh my god, you scared me so bad.